Valentine's Day. Like, I know I'm like a week late or whatever, but when I filmed this, I was feeling real loved. You know what I'm saying? Thanks to my hubby for sending me these beautiful dozen roses. Like, I just love them. They're just so cute. Well, today I did a collaboration with African Mall Hair. This wig, look at this. This shit is bomb as fuck, okay? They got me laced on Valentine's, okay? Look at this. This is in love with this hair. I am super in love how it came out. The length, the volume is a full wig. It's not a wig that's kind of like thin on this side and it ain't, no, this is a nice full volume lace wig. Oh my God, like it's so natural. Like I just love this hair. So African Mall Hair sent this wig to me, y'all, also known as human hair wigs. Make sure you guys check them out. The delivery was pretty quick. They also have specials going on. So make sure you guys click that link in the description box to purchase this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. If you guys want to know how I achieved these curls, stay tuned. Okay, I'm just unraveling my hair. I had put it in the ball when I got in the shower, and I did just let it air dry, so it might be a little tangled. So I'm just gonna brush that on out.
J12 beats. Hey, what's good, Shakari?
Curls, curls. What you say? What? Okay, baby. Okay, so the dents that the curlers made, you can just get some flat irons and kind of like bump that out, kind of like, you know, make it, you know, just a little straight.
You can do that all over the head. Me personally, I do that because I like my top parts to be kind of flat, and then it kind of like wave out. To each his own. So I'm just gonna flat iron the top portion of my hair just to get it back bone straight, and I'm just gonna curl the waves out. Ooh, I think I like the pen. That is super cute. Listen, if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, click the link below in the description box. African Mall hair, this wig. I am loving it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. What's up?